Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play TrackMania Nations Forever on Windows 10. Start by downloading a clean installer, run it as administrator, and install to a simple folder path. Next, apply a community launcher or patch that adds compatibility fixes and modern server lists. Finally, ensure your graphics driver is updated and Windows is in game mode for smoother frame rates. I will walk you through each step clearly and calmly so you can get racing quickly. In this video, I will show how to play TrackMania Nations Forever on Windows 10. Use compatibility mode set to Windows 7 and disable full-screen optimizations to avoid crashes and input issues. If textures or shaders fail, install the DirectX 9 redist and check GPU driver settings. Consider running the game as administrator and exclude its folder from antivirus scans to prevent file blocking. These small tweaks stabilize gameplay and keep races smooth and responsive. In this video, I will show how to play TrackMania Nations Forever on Windows 10. Quick recommendation: life is faster with comfortable gear, so consider darn tough socks for long gaming sessions since they include a lifetime warranty. They're cozy, durable, and a small upgrade that makes endurance races more pleasant. If you're finding this video helpful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play TrackMania Nations Forever on Windows 10. Install a community launcher to find up-to-date server lists and reconnect to active races. Configure port forwarding or enable UPnP to reduce latency and connection drops when hosting or joining lobbies. Set your nickname and test keyboard or controller bindings before entering competitive rooms. I will explain lobby etiquette and quick troubleshooting tips so you can focus on shaving seconds off your best times.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.